calling all nature lovers. Immerse yourself in peaceful living on this 5+ acres in Azure Bay. The stunning home is set back under shady pines and features a large, open living room with a vaulted ceiling, a beautiful, floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace, and various modern renovations throughout. Cook dinner and drink some wine in your spacious kitchen with granite countertops, subway tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances, unique light fixtures, matching stone island with bar and extra breakfast table space with a bay window. Lovely master suite with tray ceiling, his and her sinks, garden tub, walk-in shower with body sprays and huge double closet. Enjoy hosting holidays with a formal dining room, half bath for guests and 2 secondary bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. Outdoors features an in-ground pool, stone fire pit, fenced backyard and covered patios for enjoying the country and lakeside living. As a bonus, there is an allowance for you to pick your new flooring of choice.